beak, bite. Trust me, and the bigger the bird, the bigger the beak, the bigger the bite. So just sit there and it does, and it lands down the floor around you, just kind of point, we'll figure out which road to go down to get the bird back. No two of my shows are ever the same, because the bird's always doing something different. Now, in case any of you don't know why this paper is up there, it's because birds drop bombs, more commonly known to a lot of you as poop. And the bigger the bird, the bigger the bomb. You will get to see some real action today as they drop their bombs. So far, and I've been real lucky, no bird has bombed my boots. Come real close, it hasn't gotten the boots. So, we're going to start with the smallest birds today, and we're going to work our way up to the biggest ones. Bigger birds need
over here if you want.
So in a way, I'm going to take
and then you can hold my phone.
A little safari around the world, because you're going to get to meet birds today from 4 different continents. South America, Africa, Australia, and actually Southeast Asia, Indonesia. So anyway, with that, we're going to get started. And I also want to point out that none of the birds you're going to meet today came out of the wild. These birds have come to me from all over the United States for usually 1 of 2 reasons. These birds were not abused, they were not neglected, they were all in excellent health. We're going to talk about some of the things that every one of you needs to think about before you run out and get one of these beautiful animals as a pet. Should you decide to do that, there's some things you need to think of before you go out and get one. A lot of people didn't think about these things before. Now there's a website called rescueme.org where
rescueme.org
find homes for every day from all over the country. One of the reasons is because they are noisy. And people move from a house into an apartment, and then they realize their neighbors have a problem with the noise. Sometimes when people give me a bird, they tell me what the bird can say or do, and other times, I don't have a clue. I find out totally by surprise, which is why I continue to find out things and hear things in my house that are quite interesting. So, nobody told me about this bird, what she can say or do. I kind of found out this one day, hot day out in my life. A little bit of seed for this bird. It's a lot cheaper to pay it PUD. So, anyway, this is a mustache parakeet.
Mustache parakeet. Green.
Her name is Sherbert, and she comes from Southeast Asia. Called the mustache parakeet, the Derbian parakeet. And I did not train this bird to do this. She loves to do this. Now, most of the different kinds of birds you're going to meet today, you cannot tell the boy bird from the girl bird, or the male from the female. But with some of them you can. This is one of them because the girl bird has a black beak, and the boy bird has an orange beak. And for the kind that you can't tell the difference, I can get people to call me or email me and go, I don't know if my bird is a male or a female. Don't know if it's a boy or a girl. How can I tell? I said, you can have a DNA testing where they put one male, a little bit shorter, get a little drop of blood, you do a DNA test. Another way
What's she gonna breed him?
this egg, I'm getting it that. So, this bird is a little noisy right now. And he's not one of the big noisemakers in my flock. About an hour and a half late morning, hour and a half late afternoon, These birds have in my house what I call their little soiree, their little party. 30 of them. And they can get quite noisy. Remember I said, birds get real noisy. If your neighbor has a problem with a noise coming out of your house, 9 out of 10 times your neighbor will always win. I have a really neat deal where I live because I have undeveloped wetlands across the street on the coast that will never be developed. The people on one side of me, they have a cockatoo that makes a lot of noise, so they're not going to complain. The people behind me, let's just say, I don't think they want to be involved with any kind of law enforcement proceedings. So, pretty sweet deal around that. However, I had to create a separate room in my house for watching TV, listening to music, reading books, eating my meals. Because birds will pick up words that you don't want them to. They might get out of a movie. I need like a hero movie when I'm watching one. So, this little perch for this guy because he's afraid of heights. Imagine that bird being afraid of heights. So this next bird you're going to meet, Janelle is going to run up here as fast as she can and take out this next bird.
He's also the photographer.
Sherbert came to me from San Francisco. The bird you're about to meet came to me from Boston, Massachusetts. And again, discovered totally by accident that this bird likes to dance. So how many of you, raise your hands, know the beginning sounds to Frank Sinatra's song, New York, New York? Come on, there's got to be somebody out there that knows that. I can't be the only one. It goes da 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 da. Come on, louder sing more than like New York and Bobby Darin's song, Back to the Knife. And this loves to dance. This is a sun conure. They are native to South America. And I have seen flocks of probably thousands of these in the sky. It looks like a brilliant sun. Probably why they were named the sun conure. There are about 35 or 40 different kinds of conures. Most of them found in Central America. By the way, every bird we're meeting today is in the parrot family, which even includes little veggie parrots, includes cockatiels, cockatoos, Amazon parrots, macaws, African grays. They're all in the parrot family. The one thing, whether they're small or big, they have in common is a very hard beak for cracking nuts and seeds. They also eat fruits and vegetables. If they're not in that group, then they're known as soft-billed